If you want to hire someone to build a website, you can do on several platforms like UpWork, freelancer.com, or Fiverr. All three platforms very good, but mostly I use UpWork. So I'm gonna show you how I actually search. It's very simple. Search someone on UpWork for my website or any other project. So let's dive in. So we're gonna go to UpWork, and this is to say just this is for beginners. I'm gonna make account. It's very easy. I already have my account, but we will do now because of video. We're gonna go on sign up here. So I'm a client hiring for a project, and we have I'm freelancer looking for work. So I'm a client hiring for the project. This is like if we want to hire someone to do website for us, and I'm freelancer looking for work. This is like if you are a developer or programmer, coder. So this is for you. So we're gonna go here, join this client. So you can put your name, email and everything, but I will go, for example, because of the video, I will go with the email here. Okay, we're gonna go here, this one, continue. Okay, we put like this. Yes, I understand. Create my account. It's very easy, very simple. Congratulations, your account has been created. Okay, it's so simple. So before we start here, I can explain you here. If we go here, we can go to settings, and we can go to billing and payments. So just to know what you can use. So to pay someone, to pay some developer for your website, you can pay by payment card, and you can use PayPal. This only two. So you cannot use crypto or something, just to be aware. And some info you can change here as well. So let's back at the beginning. So welcome, Alex. Let's start with your first job. So get help from AI and be done in no time. So this is great. We can do this. It's very simple. So get started with AI. So I need someone to help to build a Shopify website, which is okay. Let's do this. I need website. Okay, so okay, this is phone number, no, never mind now. So here we can go per hour or fixed price. So I was doing before per hour. So if it's some small job, yes, but I prefer fixed price. So let's see, to put 1,000. You can see in another account, I will show you after, how you can see approximately what you want, what project you want to build, what website you want to build. You can find approximately the prices of your project, how much you actually, what to expect, how much you can pay this. So we're gonna put 1,000 now, for example, just to show you how it is. Continue. That's it, pretty much. This comes out. We can change everything. Mostly here is editable, so we can change this whatever we want. For example, here we can change also this text here, what skills and everything we can change. We will left just category. Okay, the budget, we just put 1,000 so for a website. Okay, depends. This is just approximately. This is just because of the video. I put 1,000, but this means if you post here, if you post your job, the other developers, the developers from the UpWork is gonna, if they are interested and they see this, they will accept. You will see in the messages. You will see in the messages. They will contact you, and you can speak with them about your project, and you can agree about the price. So they can say like, I will do this for 3,000, and or I will do this in 1,500 or something. So this is some basic price, but you can put also that you're not gonna go over. This is your budget, but they're gonna say, listen, it costs much more because this. If you want something even more, they can add a price. Like for me was also some project. I put also 1,000, and no problem. But I wanted something more. I was thinking in including this, but they said 1,500. So price rise 50% more. And what to do? I say yes, okay. And this is how it works. You must speak with them, explain, and they will say how much actually is gonna cost. So, and you just post here, and that's it, nothing else. So the next thing I want to show, it's here. We can search, go in the search bar, and we can put a web developer. What I like to do when I search, I like to put this here, top rated plus, and I like to put top rated. So to put best of the best. So we can see here that this guy have 94% job success, which is, it's okay, but I like to see more. That means that his rating is very high. It's high, but if we go here and we see this, it's 100% job success, which means it's very high rating. Everything he finished at the time was very good. So this I love to see when it's 100% or maybe 98, something like this. So if you post the job, you can invite them here, invite to job. If you press here, and you can message them to say about your project or something, and complete job post. So this is, you don't need to wait when you post the job to wait someone to contact you. You can do like this, but if you think this guy is, for example, suitable for your kind of project. So you can do this like an invite. What I like to see also, it's here the money, how much money earned. If we go here on the profile, we can see for all 318 jobs, she earned $200,000 US dollars, and 100% job success, and she's top rated plus. So this is very good. So these numbers just speak how she is good with 12 years of industry experience and over 300 successful jobs, full stack web developer. So you can see here, you can see the history, what she do. You cannot see more details than this. If you just open, you can see this, but it's very good to see the price. You can see the price here, and what the name of the project. So this, you can see the level of prices. So you can figure it out for your website. So WordPress developer, it's 500. So probably some very simple website in WordPress. So I want to say this I like to see. And she introduced herself here. This also, if you don't know so much what you want. Actually, you don't understand, you don't have so much experience, and you don't want only to text. You can book a Zoom meeting, which she charged, which is not at all so much. It's $20 per 30 minutes. If we click here, we can come here and we can make Zoom meetings. Like she have 30 minutes, $20, and 60 minutes, $40. We have, so we can make an appointment. If we want 60 minutes, and so we can go also here, see more times, and here we can pick up the suitable time for us and what is available, and the time also, and we can confirm, and then how we book the Zoom meeting, so we can share our screen or something and more details explain what we want and how. Here you can see their skills, what they put: JavaScript, CSS, HTML, Adobe Photoshop. You can see and explore their account. This is very important. This job is success, and I love to see also. Sometimes they keep this money they keep private. So have good web developers, but they keep private how much they charge for something. So it's not gonna show the price here like this. If we go here, does not private earnings, you see, so you cannot see the earnings, but you can book a Zoom meeting and you can speak with him about what price and how much he willing to charge you for a website or something. So if you want like a Shopify store, you can put here like just here Shopify, and you can go here like she's exactly for Shopify. You can book a meeting, consultation, and you can see some prices approximately here. Expert Shopify developer, it was $4,170. Make Shopify front end from Figma. Shopify store came from functions. You can see the prices, and you can aware how much price going for some kind of projects. And this is how I actually do. I go on every profile, and I look what they do, how much they charge, what is their ratings, how much job, and everything. If I'm more curious, I go to consultation if I want more details and I want to directly speak with them on the Zoom meeting. And you can do also directly here hire. Like if you agree with someone, you can press hire, and you can here fill some information, and that's it. Here you can just hire immediately. If you agree everything, they can say like, hey, make an offer, and you go here like on hire, and you fill everything. You go fixed price if you want per hour, depends how you agree, and that's it. It's very simple. What is the good here? The good thing is that the money, when you pay immediately, but this money goes to UpWork, and they gonna hold the money. And when developer finish the job, only then when you say everything is fine, so you want to make a website, and you pay immediately, and this money goes to UpWork. So they hold the money, developer does not get nothing. So developer starts working, he sent you everything the need, domain and everything, you check website, functionality, everything, and only then when you are satisfied, maybe to add some more jobs, maybe need to pay more, something, maybe you figure it out, something else, and only when you are satisfied, when you say like, everything is fine, then you can release the money and UpWork is gonna pay to him, to developer. So this is great and honest and the most easiest way to do. So this is it's pretty much easy. One time you pass this, it's good. We have another websites like freelancer.com and Fiverr. I use all three, but mostly I like this UpWork, and I already have some developers which I work with them, and I'm very satisfied. So for me this is the best. So this is just for beginners, just one video to make. It's gonna be more videos. So that's it in this video, and see you in the next one.